Opti Feeds is an animal feed manufacturing company established in 1984 and situated in Lichtenburg in the Northwest Province. The core of their service area lies within 200 kilometers from Lichtenburg, although they are able to service other areas considering transport constraints. As a supplier of high-quality products and services, backed by well-trained technical advisors, the company has established a place in the market. Opti Feeds mixes more than 75 different feed formula for a variety of animal species. Products include specialized feeds for broilers, broiler breeders, layers for commercial egg production, dairy cows, cattle for beef production, sheep, rabbits, ostriches, horses, and game. Mixing feed safely for such a variety of species poses a huge challenge. It is of utmost importance to Opti Feeds that quality products are produced and supplied to customers. To do this, all products are scientifically designed to ensure optimal animal performance. The design process entails thorough research and testing of products by persons certified by the South African Council for Natural Scientific Professions before they are registered according to Act 36 of 1947 and then released into the market. The process starts with the procurement of quality ingredients to ensure that the raw materials used to produce the feed are of the required quality. Raw materials are therefore only sourced from suppliers that can supply raw materials that conform to the set visual and nutrient standards. All raw materials entering the premises are evaluated by means of a visual inspection and a near-infrared spectrometer analysis to ensure that the raw materials entering the premises conform to the set specification. The raw materials are stored in various warehouses on site to prevent contamination occurring and ensuring stock rotation by applying the first in, first out principle. The product recipe is formulated using a sophisticated formulation program to combine the available quality raw materials in the correct quantities to achieve the design specifications at the optimum cost. Each product recipe is then checked and signed off before it is given to the factory to manufacture. Due to the fact that Opti Feeds mixes feeds for various species in the same plant, quality control and prevention of cross-contamination is extremely important. For this reason, Opti Feeds has implemented a standard cleaning procedure between certain feeds to prevent carryover of any undesired substance from one feed to another. The production process starts with the conveying of raw material ingredients from the storage warehouses into the plant proportioning system. Before any ingredients are conveyed into the plant, a visual examination is carried out to ensure that the ingredients did not spoil or get contaminated during the storage process. Any further processing of raw materials, such as grinding, is done during this process. The Opti Feeds factory is a batch weighing plant. 95% of the ingredients in the formula, based on weight, are automatically weighed from the bulk proportioning bins. The remaining 5% is weighed and added to the batch manually. The production schedule is predetermined a day in advance to ensure that the required raw materials are available. The manufacturing starts with the operator selecting and scheduling a formula on the plant control computer. At this stage, the operator also indicates on the control computer whether the final product will be pellets or mash. After the weighing is done, these ingredients are then transferred to the mixer. The ingredients are then mixed for a predetermined time to ensure optimum mixing. After the mixing time is completed and the system sensors acknowledge that all transfer lines are clear, the mixed feed is transferred to the pellet plant, if the feed needs to be pelleted, or to the final product storage bins if the product is distributed as a meal. During the transfer process, quality control samples are taken and inspected visually by the operator to ensure that the feed conforms to the standard. Pellet and crumble quality tests are conducted during this process to ensure that the pellets conform to the set standard. Final product is stored in bulk bins for further distribution in bulk or further processing into bags. Feeds distributed in bulk are loaded into bulk tankers for direct delivery to the client. Feeds to be sold in bags are first bagged and stored in the finished product warehouse before distribution to clients. The bagging is done by an automated packaging system, which weighs, deposits, and packages animal feed at a rate of 15 tons per hour. The process commences with an automated scale system, which weighs the product and delivers it to the automated packager. The packager then deposits the product into 25 or 50 kilogram bags and automatically labels and stitches them closed. A Japanese robot arm, which according to experts has no rival in the palletizing market, then places the filled bags on a pallet. When the pallet has been fully stacked, it is conveyed towards the end of the production line, where it is removed by forklift to the storage area. During the bulk loading and bagging process, samples of the products are taken in a prescribed manner to ensure conformity against a control sample. Final pellet and crumble tests are done before dispatch. Samples of each product manufactured are kept for 3 months in the event of any comebacks. Random samples of products are taken on a weekly basis and sent to an accredited laboratory for analysis testing to ensure that products conform to the design specification. The Opti Feeds factory is an ISO 9001 accredited factory with accreditation done by the SABS. This means that the factory processes are audited by an external organization to ensure that the factory is able to manufacture products to the specified standard on a consistent basis. All Opti Feeds products are scientifically designed to ensure optimal animal performance. The Opti laying feeds are designed to provide laying hens with sufficient nutrients during the rearing and egg production phases to optimize profitability. The most important goal is to achieve the correct weight for age during the growing phase and to ensure that the young hens are as uniform as possible at the onset of lay. The Opti rearing feeds are therefore designed to provide the correct nutrients to achieve these goals. The Opti laying feeds are formulated to provide the optimal economic feeding balance during and after the peak production period. The Opti broiler ranges are designed to ensure optimal production efficiency. The Opti broiler feeds consist of a 3, 4 and 5 phase range to provide for the unique needs of different production systems. Each range is designed in such a way that the different phases satisfy the nutritional requirements of the chickens at a certain age. It is optimally balanced to sustain the body while skeletal development and muscle growth take place, and has fully balanced vitamin and mineral supplements to enhance the health and growth of the chicken. They also contain a standard coccidiostat and growth promoter, which are rotated according to a program designed by a vet to avoid a buildup of resistance against a specific medication. The Opti Pig Feed program ensures the optimal expression of the genetic potential of the modern pig, promoting optimal reproduction, health and condition of the sows, optimal litter weight and better livability of piglets, and optimal growth to attain the required weight and grading at marketing. Concentrates are also available for producers should they want to utilize their own maize. The Opti calf products are designed to ensure the effective transition from milk to dry feed and to promote the healthy development of the rumen. Heifers are thus able to reach mating weight earlier and calve at a younger age, and are able to reach their full genetic milk production potential. Opti dairy product range consists of a variety of dairy feeds with different protein and energy values to provide for differences in the milk production potential of herds, stage of lactation, as well as considering the available roughages on the farm. The Opti beef products are designed to promote optimal feed intake, digestion and absorption of all essential nutrients. Using these products will result in optimal growth and development of animals, as well as optimal weight gain to achieve the desired target weight for marketing within the most economic time. The Opti Lick range of products are designed to supplement the nutritional deficiencies of grazing animals during specific seasons. The supplementation of grazing animals with the correct lick at the correct time will improve overall performance of the animals and lead to improved profitability. The Opti sheep products are designed to promote optimal feed intake, digestion and absorption of all essential nutrients. These products provide the correct nutrient balance to ensure the optimal growth and development of animals, as well as optimal weight gain to achieve the desired target weight for marketing within the most economic time. Opti Feeds also supplies feeds for ostriches, horses, rabbits and game. We are very excited to announce the addition of the Opti game products to our product range. These products are endorsed by Mr. Piet du Toit, a well-known exotic game breeder.